Good afternoon to everyone. A happy birthday to my cousin Marino Yabot Reyes on his 75 year here on earth. Everybody knows that the Reyes and San Diego kids were raised in one big two-story house built by our uncle attorney Geminiano F. Yabot for his love to his mother and sisters, located at Lumity, Santa Cruz, Manila. All of us are inspired by his generosity and kindness, and his good characters are seen in the person of Marino. I remember Marin, as I fondly call him, as a silent and humble kid since his younger years. Marin and I were not close in our teenage life. It was his older brother, Vicente, whom I consider my partner in crime, that of attending parties and other teenage activities. As we were growing up, I found Marin as a serious young man on his studies until he graduated at Mapua College and took the board exam in civil engineering, and with God's grace garnered the 6th place. As a father, I saw in him a very responsible one who thought always the financial security of his family. He went to Saudi Arabia for greener pasture and came back to the Philippines to start his own building of townhouses, schools, condominium, and later to establish his own company, the M.Y. Reyes Developer Corporation. I was fortunate to be one of his agents for quite some times, and I found him to be an honest man in dealing with buyers, and to me also, from the pre-selling up to the completion of the houses, my buyers were all satisfied and didn't encounter any problems along the way. I don't consider Marin as just a first cousin, but a real brother cousin to us, 6 sisters of the San Diego family. He is always there in good and in bad times. I remember him solving my aged problem of 32 years in my townhouse at Don Antonio Subdivision, Quezon City. Since I don't live there, a warehouse was illegally constructed beside my unit. I made several attempts, reported to the barangays and proper authorities, but no action was made to demolish it. It was my brother cousin Marin who exerted all his efforts, time, and connection after the Quezon City Mayor Belmonte, who happens to be living in his same subdivision, the Capitol Hills. Through his patience in personally following my appeal for demolition, my wish for 32 years was granted, a total demolition. And for that, I am forever grateful to my one and only brother, cousin Marin. What more can I do for him but to everyday pray for his continuous good health and long years to live? I also would like to take this opportunity to give thanks for those who attended my 80th B-Day celebration last July 21, 2023, who are now present today. The family of Jose Yabot, who came along from the Philippines to be with me, and the complete family of Marin, his wife, sons, and his only daughter, together with their family, kids, and husband. I am grateful to you all. Till next time. And for the celebrant today, March 1st, 2025, happy birthday again and more power. Thank you.